y dydd, exercise of the day, hip thrust. Mae'r ymarfer yma yn canolbwyntio ar cyhyrau penol, glutes. This exercise concentrates on your bum muscles, your glutes. A dwi'n dangos i chi ar y Swiss ball. I'm going to show you on the Swiss ball how to do it. Felly, da ni'n cychwyn, we're starting off, eistedd ar y bel, sit on the ball. Da ni'n cerdded ymlaen, you walk forward. Hips yn isal, hips are low. Traed y flat ar y llaw, feet flat on the floor. Da ni'n pwsio'r hips i fyny. Push our hips up. A'r sgwydda wan yn pwysio ar y bel, my shoulders rest on the ball. Cadw'r hips i fyny. Do it again ymlaen, I've took my chin forward. Penglinia at 90-degree angle, knees in a 90-degree angle, heels flat ar y llawn, heels flat on the floor. Canolbwyntio, concentrate on the squeeze in the top. Concentrate on the squeeze at the top. Da chi hefyd yn gallu gwneud yr ymarfer yna hefo pwysa, efo bar neu dumbbell. You can also do that exercise with a bar or a dumbbell. Ond mae'n bwysig bod chi gael y techneg yn gywir gyntaf. It's important that you get the technique correct first. Dyna chi ymarfer y dydd. That's your exercise of the day. Hip thrust.